Hey everyone, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're doing a couple of equations, or I should say a few. Let's start with a basic one and work our way up. This one we're going to solve for b by subtracting the 5 on both sides. So we get negative 35 minus 5, and that's going to get us negative 40 is equal to our negative 10b. Then we're going to divide by negative 10 on both sides. And that's going to give us a negative 4, positive 4 is equal to b. Okay. Let's take a look at our next example. On this one, we'll have some like terms on the same side of the equal sign. Remember, like terms could be either constants or numbers multiplied by a variable here. So we're going to go ahead and add like terms here, 1 and 7, which would be 8. So we have 8 plus 3v is equal to 5. Next thing we're going to do is subtract the 8 on both sides. And that's going to give us our 3v. Well, 8's canceling out here, and is equal to negative 3. Finally, we're going to divide by 3, and v is equal to negative 1. Okay, now let's take a look at a couple more complicated questions here. Okay. On number 3 here, we're going to have to do distribution. We're going to take the 6 and distribute it this way. So 6 times negative 8, it's going to be negative 48. And then 6 times n, it's going to be 6n. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and add 48 on both sides. Okay. And that allows our 48s to cancel out here, bringing it down to 6n. Okay. Negative 90 and 48 gives 42. And that's going to be negative because our 90 is bigger, or bigger absolute value. And then finally, we're going to go ahead and divide by 6. Sixes will cancel out, leaving us with negative 7 is equal to n. Okay, so our next problem here seems pretty big, but just take one step at a time. First thing we want to do is deal with these parentheses. We're going to distribute our 8 here. Okay. On my left side, I'm just going to bring down 17 plus 5x, just like we have. It's going to be equal to negative 8 times 6, which would be negative 48. Negative times a negative is a positive, and 8 times 8 is going to get us 64x plus 6x. Now, first thing I want to do is go ahead and combine our like terms here and here. That's going to get us 17 plus 5x is equal to 64 and 6, which is going to be 70. X. Okay, here, different than the other problems we've been working, you've got x's on both sides of the equation. It doesn't matter where you start, but if you start on your left side, the next thing you do is going to be on your right. And if you start on your right side, the next thing you're going to do will be on your left. But I'm going to go ahead and start on the right with this negative 48 and add 48 on both sides. And make sure I add it with the like term. Okay, here this will cancel out. This will be 65 plus 5x is equal to 70x. Okay, now since I started over here with the 48,